Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. My name is Sirisha. I am your 4th class English teacher. Okay children, in our last video, you have learned our beautiful poem, Wake Up. Did you recite and read that poem or not children? Okay, I think all of you got it. Okay children, in this video, we learn about question and answers and meanings of new words and connect the pair of sentences using the words and but. Okay children, these are our topics. Okay children, first of all, let us start our meanings of new words. Okay children, so first one is our first new word is lovely. Lovely means beautiful. So, lovely means, what is the meaning of lovely? Lovely means beautiful. Children, here observe this picture. Here a beautiful girl holding a beautiful flowers. Okay, she wear a lovely dress. Children, observe this picture. She wear a lovely dress and she has a lovely flowers. Okay children, next one, our next new word is buzzing. Buzzing means making a low continuous humming sound. Okay, making a low continuous humming sound. Already you heard the buzzing sound in our last video. Are you remembering it or not? Okay, so observe this picture. Here, the bees were buzzing among the flowers. The bees were buzzing among the flowers. This is a small example for buzzing. Okay, children, you got it? Okay, our next one, sleepyhead. Our next new word is sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means lazy children. Related to our poem. Okay children, related to our poem. Sleepyhead means lazy children. That means who sleeps over time. That one are called sleepyhead. Observe this picture. Here a cat. So here a cat is a sleepyhead. Okay. Our next one, tiniest. Our next new word is tiniest. Tiniest means very small one, very small creature. Okay, observe this picture. So cute. S. So tiniest means very small. Okay children, so these are our new words. Okay children, you got it? So first one is lovely. Lovely means beautiful. Second one is buzzing. Buzzing means making a low continuous humming sound. Okay. Next one, sleepyhead. Lazy children. Fourth one, tiniest. Very small one. These are our meanings of new words. Okay children. Now let us go into our question and answers. That means reading is fun. Okay children. So before I am going to question and answers, I want to revise explanation of the poem. That means summary of the poem. Okay children. What is the summary of our poem? Yes? Okay. So in that poem, the poet asking the children to get up early and finish your daily activities and come out to play. Enjoy your lovely day. That means enjoy your beautiful day. The sun, the birds, bees, all are awake. Okay, and you listen the different sounds made by different birds, and you hear the buzzing sound made by bees. Okay children, so come out and play. Don't be sleep. Don't be lazy. Don't oversleep. Okay, get up early. Okay, and come out to play. All are awake. That means the cow, sheep, ducks, horses, tiniest chicks. All are awake. So get up early and come out to play. Enjoy their beautiful day. So this is the our summary of the poem. Okay, children. So now our first one, that means first question is, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? What do you think birds say to each other in the morning? Okay, so what is your answer for this question? Okay, for example, how do you greet your teacher when you meet? How do you greet your teacher when you meet? So, you say, good morning ma'am, or good morning sir, or good afternoon, or good evening, or how are you ma'am, or how are you sir. Okay, you say like this. In the same way, the birds chirp. The birds chirp and greet each other when they meet in the way of their sounds, because birds have also some language. Okay, so they greet each other in that way. So our answer for this question is, the birds chirp and greet each other in the morning. Okay, children. So our answer for first one is, the birds chirp and greet each other in the morning. Okay, children. Okay, next one. Second question is, who are already awake? Who are already awake? I have explained in first stanza. Okay, so the sun, birds, bees, all animals are awake. The sun, birds, bees, all animals are awake. Okay, so this is our second one. What is our third question? Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? Okay, children. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? We have answer for this one in the third stanza. Okay, in this third stanza. In that, the cow, horses, ducks, sheep and chicks wake up. Okay, children. Did you remember it or not? Okay, so our answer for this one, the cow, horses, ducks, sheep and chicks wake up before the child does. Okay, children. I will repeat again. So our first one is, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? Answer is, the birds chirp and greet each other in the morning. Second one, who are already awake? The sun, birds, bees, all animals are awake. Third one, which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? The cow, horses, ducks, sheep and chicks wake up before the child does. Okay, children. So these are our meanings of new words and question and answers. So you read these new words meanings and learn these question and answers. Okay, children. Stay home and stay safe. Okay, bye.